Welcome to everyone in my channel. Today's topic is Facebook Meta Suite. Let's start. Facebook Meta Suite. Introduction. The Facebook Meta Suite is an extensive collection of products and technologies developed and offered by Meta platforms. The company's rebranding to Meta in late 2021 reflects its vision of transitioning from a social media company to a metaverse company, aiming to build a shared, impressive virtual reality space where people can interact and experience digital content in unprecedented ways. The Metaverse Vision. The term metaverse refers to a virtual reality space, a collective virtual universe where users can interact with each other and digital content in real time. It transcends traditional social media platforms and extends into augmented reality and virtual reality experiences. Meta envisions a future where the metaverse becomes an integral part of people's daily lives, encompasses work, play, social interaction, and beyond. Oculus VR headsets. Oculus, acquired by Facebook in 2014 and now part of Meta, produced virtual reality headsets that enables users to immerse themselves in interactive 3D environments. These headsets range from standalone devices like the Oculus Quest series to PC-threaded headsets like the Oculus Rift. They provide access to various VR experiences, games, and social interaction within the metaverse. Horizon Workrooms. Horizon Workrooms is a product developed by Meta that facilitates remote work collaboration in a virtual environment. Users with Oculus VR headsets can meet, brainstorm, and work together as avatars in a shared digital space. This technology aims to enhance productivity and foster a sense of presence even when team members are physically dispersed. Facebook Horizon. Facebook Horizon, now part of the Meta Suite, is a user-generated virtual reality world where users can create and explore 3D environments. It allows users to socialize, play games, and attend events all while embodying customizable avatars. Messenger and WhatsApp integration. Facebook messaging platforms Messenger and WhatsApp are expected to play a significant role in Metaverse vision. Integrating these services into the metaverse aims to facilitate seamless communication and social interactions among users across different digital environments. Portal devices. Portal is a line of smart displays developed by Meta that facilitates video calling and smart home interactions. It is designed to enhance virtual communication experiences by offering hands-free video calls and camera tracking that follows the users around during conversations. Meta AI research. Meta invests heavily in artificial intelligence research to advance various aspects of its metaverse development. All technologies are vital in creating realistic and dynamic virtual environments as well as enhancing user interaction and avatars within the metaverse. Meta Horizon Workrooms for education. Meta has plans to extend its Horizon Workrooms to the educational sector, enabling students and educators to conduct virtual classes and collaborative learning experiences. This has the potential to revolutionize the way education is delivered and experienced. Augmented Reality Initiative. In addition to its virtual reality efforts, Meta is also exploring augmented reality technologies such as smart glasses. These devices aim to overlay digital information onto the physical world, offering new ways to interact with technology and the metaverse. Data and privacy considerations. As Meta ventures deeper into the metaverse, data and privacy concerns arise. The company faces the challenge of safeguarding user information while offering a seamless and personalized virtual experience. Addressing these concerns will be crucial for building trust among users. Conclusion. The Facebook Meta Suite represents a bold and ambitious step towards the creation of a metaverse, a virtual reality space where people can interact, socialize, work, and play in ways previously unimaginable. With Oculus VR headsets, Horizon Workrooms, Facebook Horizon, and augmented reality initiatives, Meta aims to redefine the future of digital interactions and reshape the way we experience the world. Thank you for watching.